All right, got all these willow trees right behind me, and we're gonna cut one of them down so we can make a hand reel or hand spool for our hand fishing. Got a pretty decent chunk. That'll probably work. All right, we got our chunk of willow that I cut. And I got some fishing string. And I got a hook. And this hook's got a little bit of weight on the end of it. So we're going to make this spool. And then start to see if we can fish. All right, with the willow, if you take your knife and just cut right through that bark, and then take your knife under here and take that bark and just peel it back. Then that bark will just peel off of that stick like this. It'll just peel off. And then you'll have a whole sheet of bark right here. You can do other things with that, like make rope or string or other things, but it's not what we're doing today. You take your saw, cut a little bit all the way around here, and then you just carve that out for your handle. Starting to look like a handle. Alright, what I'm going to do now is carve a little notch all the way around this willow here so you can have some place to tie the string off. And then you just wind your string around. Alright, I believe we might be ready for a trial run. Just wind your string. Alright. What we have here is our little fishing spool. Let's see if we can get something done with it. See if we can catch a fish. It casts pretty good. I need to find some crickets or a grasshopper or a frog or something to put on here. Be right back. All right, got us a little grasshopper. You don't know it, but it's fixing to be dinner. Now let's see if we can catch this fish. That's how you make a hand line and a nice bluegill. That's dinner right there. That's a big old bluegill. Today we demonstrated how to make and use a hand reel or hand caster or hand reel or whatever you want to call it. I forget I'll find the actual name and put it on here. It catches fish. It's real easy. Use it to wind up, and that way you ain't got to worry about cutting your hands when you're pulling the fish in. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Also check out Cooper Pittman's YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the description below, and he does all kinds of stuff fishing, catches all kinds of bluegill, bass and everything. He caught a monster bluegill a couple episodes ago. The young man has a very good YouTube channel, so spend some time looking at him, subscribe to his, and we'll see you next time.